Welcome back to my channel where I'm more of a hot mess than 2007 Brittany. Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new here, I hope you stick around after this hot mess of a video that I'm about to unload upon you. So I have a personality flaw. And that flaw is that whenever I get an idea, I'm the type of person that I'm just like, let's do it. Right now, there's no need to wait, there's no need to plan, there's no need to schedule. We're just gonna do it. We're just gonna hop right into it. And that can be good, and that can also be very bad. Like, for example, one time I wanted a baby cow. I said, I'm getting a baby cow. Everybody laughed at me, everybody thought I was crazy. I didn't have anywhere to put the baby cow, didn't have a plan, didn't know how I was gonna get the baby cow home from the sale barn. None of that. But you know what? It all worked out, and I had a beautiful baby, Comet. My cow's name was Comet. I had a beautiful baby cow named Comet. Best decision I ever made. I want another baby cow. But when it comes to videos, that is a horrible, horrible flaw of mine. So I decided that I was going to redo this office. Great, right? It turned out super cute. I love it. Couldn't be happier. But when I sat down to edit this video, I was like, Shannea, what were you thinking? Because honestly, if I was to just put the video out there the way that I recorded it, it would look something like this. I don't know what's going on. We're redoing my office. Hey guys, and welcome to my video. Today we are going to be redoing my office. What? We're going to redo this bad boy in 48 hours. Are you watching? Is everybody watching? This is the first roll of white going on to the wall. Oh, I'm so happy. We're getting it started. Woo! Now that is cute, you know, it's not that bad, but the problem is there's none of my personality in that video whatsoever. Like, if there's somebody new that watches that, they're not gonna know me. They're not gonna know anything about me. They aren't even gonna know that I've never had a second room for anything ever. So they're not gonna know that this is like the biggest deal of all time. That's why we're having to do this. Because I didn't plan, I didn't think ahead, I didn't think about what shots I would need for this video. I just thought, 48-hour office transformation, let's get it. And then it turned out not good. So I'm working on it, but we're gonna go ahead and get into it. So this office is actually in my boyfriend's house. I am basically just cleaning this out right now, sweeping, and then I'm gonna paint it, and then we're just gonna put like very minimal furniture in here, just like a chair, some pillows, a plant, you know. So I'm gonna show it to y'all. Just ignore the crap on the floor. I'm sweeping it up, but this is the little opening. Gotta get rid of this fan, and you just come in here, and it's like a light blue color. I could leave it this color, but I don't really want to. And then it's just got a tiny closet. And then over there is the door again. So this will be the room that I shoot stuff in, and I'm so excited. Thinking like a love seat here or like a chair. I found this cute pink chair that I like, but I can also set it over there in the corner. And I'm also going to get a clothing rack. So. And he just had another room, and I said, I want the room. I want to do something with it. I want to make it cute. So that's when I painted it. So we painted it, we made it super cute, all in one day. We did it all in a day. I bought the paint that day, we painted it. The next day, it looked great. We didn't have to go back and touch up anything. The next morning, I got up and I went to every single store I could think of. I bought stuff everywhere, even though it's not gonna look like it when you see the final reveal. I really wanted it to be very minimal. I had like a Pinterest board of like inspiration on how I wanted it to look, what I wanted in it. I know I wanted a mirror, I know I wanted a clothing rack, and I wasn't really sure if I wanted like somewhere to sit, like a love seat, couch kind of thing, or if I just wanted like a chair. So the night before I painted it, I ordered a clothing rack, which I rush shipped on Amazon so that it would be here on time. And when I was shopping, I went to like TJ Maxx, I went to Tuesday Morning, I went to Ross, I went to Walmart. I went everywhere that I could think of, anywhere I thought that would have cute and affordable decor. So that night, we brought everything home, we unloaded it, we moved it around. I tried things in a couple different places. I had to put together the clothing rack. I wanted this chair in that corner to begin with, but then I realized that there's a window here, so if I want natural light and to be even more beautiful, I need the chair over here. So we had to like move things around, but all in all, I think it turned out super cute and I'm really happy with it. So now I will show you the final result of my office. Transformation turned out. If you love it, leave me a comment, let me know. Also, if you would like to see my last video, I will link it. It'll be the first link in the description. It was all about how much does my face cost. So how much money do I spend on my face each day? Find out in that video, so you better go watch it. And other than that, I don't really have any more updates or announcements. I'm sorry that this video was all over the place and not very cohesive. When I started it, I had so many cute ideas, and then those just went right out the window when the other part of my brain took over and said all over the place. So when that happened, you know, the video just kind of went downhill. But I think maybe I salvaged it. I don't know. But I will talk to you guys later. I love you. Bye. Mwah.